Hello. Today you will learn more about a new program at the court called Jail Shelter Diversion. This program is provided by the Cleveland Mediations Center. The program, founded in research, will provide mediation and shelter diversion techniques for a client on pretrial or probation who has been incarcerated or has unstable housing. The goal is to decrease the number of clients entering the shelter after being in jail. Please let me now introduce you to our Jail Shelter Diversion Specialist, Tracy Callahan, who will provide more information about the program.
Thank you, Megan, for the introduction. Good afternoon, everyone. Today I would like to talk to you about the Jail Diversion Program, Returning Home, Cuyahoga County. The Cleveland Mediation Center has been mediating disputes and providing conflict resolution and mediation training to the greater Cleveland area since 1981. Cleveland Mediation Center promotes just and peaceful community in Northeast Ohio by honoring all people, building their capacity to act, and facilitating for them to engage in conflict constructively. The Jail Shelter Diversion Program. The program is designed to empower persons facing imminent homelessness to identify safe and appropriate housing. The program will assist them in avoiding shelter and return immediately to housing. The Jail Diversion Program is not a barrier to shelter. The program focuses on empowering persons in crisis to begin regaining control over their situation and their lives. It is helpful for persons already homeless, leaving incarceration, or currently in shelter. The program utilizes deep listening to empower the clients to determine their own path out of homelessness. It allows the client to hear themselves, allowing them to gain clarity. The process. The first thing, the probation officer would fill out the intake form and email that form to myself, Tracy Callahan. The jail diversion specialist will then meet with the client to help identify housing with family, friends, and others, and also identify and remove barriers to housing. Mediation is provided as needed to resolve issues with family, friends, or their landlord. They will communicate their housing options to the probation officer. And there is also monetary assistance available by means of bus tickets, once that person has identified housing, gift cards, etc., something that they can contribute to the household that they'll be staying in. After speaking and meeting with the client and exploring options, if no housing options are available or identified, there may be other resources the client can utilize as part of their housing plan. Other referrals can be made at the client's request to providers that can assist. What that means basically is that there are other programs available by means of housing assistance, where if a person identifies that they are able to establish employment and maintain their housing, then that referral can also be made in order to assist the client. If housing isn't available, the jail diversion specialist provides a warm handoff to the Cuyahoga County coordinated intake so that the client can access a shelter bed. Family, landlord, and support mediations. Once the client has settled on the best plan for housing, contact is made to the family or friends to explore that option. If the parties agree to mediate, a day and time would be set at their convenience, and the parties would then discuss the best plan going forward regarding the client's housing plan. Areas discussed could be where the client would stay, how they would contribute to the household, etc. Other types of assistance. As stated earlier, once housing has been identified, the program can provide bus tickets for the client to get to the property that they will be staying. We can also schedule family transport if and when needed. We can provide food cards that the client can use to contribute to the household that they will be staying. We will also refer to other services or other service providers that the client feels they can utilize as a part of their housing plan. For more information or to make a referral, please contact Tracy Callahan at 216-621-1919, extension 6807, or you can follow the email address at tracy.callahan@clevelandmediation.org. Please also visit our website at www.clevelandmediation.org. Thank you for watching.